Doctor said I should get out more, so I went on a little hike with my brother this weekend. Here's some pictures from us doing that. Hope you enjoy. First, we found this waterfall. I've definitely seen bigger waterfalls. We were not very impressed here. Maybe next time. Found this big rock. We've definitely seen bigger rocks. It's okay. I mean, no offense to the rock and its features. Sorry, rock. We found this abandoned mine shaft. They had it caged off, so we couldn't go in it. But somebody was in it. There was stuff on the other side. It just made me want to go in it even more. Whatever. Here's us if we were cats, walking through the woods, sniffing around, sniffing each other, wondering, what the fuck? Why are we cats? I don't know, man. Let's figure a way to sniff around or something. I don't know. Why are you still watching this video?